High-end cranes more people by SUNHUNK. SUNHUNK is the most advanced truck-mounted crane production base in China. It is the only truck-mounted crane manufacturer in China with a balanced development of straight boom, folding boom and large tonnage. High-strength steels are used in all aspects. Imported leveling machine, laser cutting machine, CNC bending machine. Eliminate steel plate stress. Ensure the accuracy and strength of structural parts. The only crane welding robot production line in China. Guarantee that the welding is free of defects. Weld strength is more reliable. The structural parts of the whole machine are all processed by CNC boring and washing equipment. Ensure assembly accuracy. The most advanced coating production line in the industry. 13 processes are meticulously crafted. Make sure the paint surface does not fall off for 5 years. Host assembly and commissioning. NAS Class 8 cleanliness control standard. Benchmarking high-end products in Europe, Japan and South Korea. Redefine China's high-end manufacturing technology of truck-mounted cranes. High-end cranes more people by SUNHUNK.